Buongiorno a tutti, benvenuti al Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned close questions with verb to be. There was also a quiz at the end. The question was, how do you say he's not married in Italian? A. Lui non è sposata. B. Lui non è sposato. C. Lui è sposato. The correct answer is B. Lui non è sposato. In today's lesson, you will learn the negative form of the verb to have. Then you will learn the close question with the verb to have. At the end, there will be a mini quiz. Let's start. Firstly, I will repeat quickly the affirmative form of the verb to have. Avere. Io ho. Tu hai. Lei, lui, lei ha. Noi abbiamo. Voi avete. Loro hanno. Now let's move on to the negative form of the verb to have, non avere. Io non ho. Tu non hai. Lei, lui, lei non ha. Noi non abbiamo. Voi non avete. Loro non hanno. Let's see some examples with closed questions. Hanno 7 anni? Are they 7 years old? Sì, hanno 7 anni. Yes, they are 7 years old. No, non hanno 7 anni. No, they are not 7 years old. Lei ha figli? Do you have children? Sì, ho 3 figli. Yes, I have 3 children. No, non ho figli. No, I don't have children. Lui ha fratelli? Does he have brothers? Sì, lui ha fratelli. Yes, he has brothers. No, lui non ha fratelli. No, he hasn't brothers. Maria ha sorelle? Does Maria have sisters? Sì, Maria ha sorelle. Yes, Maria has sisters. No, Maria non ha sorelle. No, Maria hasn't sisters. Hai fratelli o sorelle? Do you have siblings? Sì, ho 2 fratelli. Yes, I have 2 brothers. No, non ho fratelli o sorelle. No, I don't have siblings. Now I have a mini quiz for you. Please try to do it. How do you say, no, we don't have children in Italian? A. No, non abbiamo figli. B. No, abbiamo figli. C. No, non avete figli. You can find the answer in my Instagram account, and you can also find the slides of this lesson. My Instagram is learn_Italian. Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, you will see more examples with closed questions. Grazie, arrivederci.